Imagine having AI assistants who not only listen to our commands, but also understand what we need before we even say it out loud. These smart helpers won't just follow orders, they'll predict what we might need next. Picture this scenario evolving by the year 2030. AI-powered personal assistants will become reliable friends, helping us organize our lives and boosting our efficiency. These intelligent companions won't just sit around waiting for us to tell them what to do. They'll get proactive, foreseeing our requirements, managing our schedules, and taking care of everyday tasks automatically. This frees up our time to focus on more meaningful and important things in our lives. The interaction with these AI companions will be so smooth and natural that it adapts to our unique needs, providing personalized assistance tailored just for us. It's like having a tech-savvy sidekick that understands us like no other, making our daily lives simpler and more enjoyable.